Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Cash App name. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that in this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you already shop on Amazon, you can save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you would like to not save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find the link in this video description. As you can see toward the mirror right here, to the center, you're gonna see like the Amazon deal right there, then Amazon Prime trial right there. So the link's right there, and I highly recommend this subscription because it can save you a lot of money and you can cancel anytime, which is like a very cute privilege to cancel like anytime if you don't like it. But I highly recommend it for you to try. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to change your Cash App name. We'll start by opening up the Cash App. Once we're on this screen right here, look on the upper right hand corner. You're gonna see a profile icon right there, like a little person with a picture, and click on the circle right there, very upper right. Click on that one. So now you're gonna get on this screen right here. Once you're on this screen right here, make sure that you select personal right there, personal. Click there, and once you're on this screen right here, make sure you read where they say full name and click there. And you're gonna change your name. As you see KahindoTech right there, I'm gonna change it to a different name. So once you've done that, and you're gonna look on the upper left hand corner right there, the little arrow where it's pointing like to the left, click there, and you're gonna get back on this screen right here. And that's how you change your Cash App name. If you have any other question, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find it in my video description. And I highly recommend it, like, try out the trial link, and thank you for watching.